Hi, you're welcome to Financial Freedom Hub, the online earning tutorial channel. My name is John Kennedy. As usual, in this video, I want to share with you how to monitor your Staking Hub daily earnings. Now, we've all purchased Staking Hubs, and then we are earning our 0.2 daily passive income earnings. And so you want to be able to track and to monitor your daily earnings and see that they are consistent, and also help you to know how many points you are earning every day. The mark of a good business person is record keeping. That is one of the processes, whether it is finances or whether it's investment, whether it's the fear of business or entrepreneurship. You must learn to keep records. And so I'm going to show you how, with the help of a simple Excel spreadsheet, you can keep record and you can track, and then you can monitor your daily earnings from your staking hubs, all of them together or one, depending on the number you have. So what do I need? I just need my phone or my tablet or my laptop, and then I need Excel spreadsheet, and then your Mavi back office, of course, where you'll be looking at your daily earnings, and then you'll be picking the points, and then you'll be recording them. So come with me as I share with you how to monitor your Staking Hub daily earnings. You know, sometimes the points don't drop every day. Sometimes it will be 2 days and then they'll come together. But you want to be able to keep record and see that the points you are receiving, they are accurate, and then you can track. And if you have any problem, you can contact the help and then support team, and then they can sort you out. So let's get inside, and then I'll show you how I do my own. Unfortunately, I just started recently, just this month on the 21st. It just occurred to me to start tracking the performance of my staking hubs by monitoring and tracking the daily earnings as they drop. And so I just created a spreadsheet, Excel spreadsheet, and so that is it. So when you come here, you can see my earnings. So you can see I have three packages: basic 1, basic 2. So the 100 packages, I have 1, and then I came for the the light package, which is a 300 USDT, and then I purchased another one. So I'll take you to the back office, and then I'll show you in detail. But this is it, my Staking Hub NFT daily earnings monitor. So this is for the month of August. So you can do it for every month. So I just started on the 21st. As you can see, it never occurred to me until just a few days ago. I decided, let me track this thing and see how it's performing. All right, so I've prepared for the month of September. That one, I'll start from the 1st, and then I can track it to the end of the month. And then you can add the months like that for 2022. So you see August 2022, September 2022. You can add another sheet that will be October 2022, like that. But let's look at how it is done. So all you have to do is, let's say the month has ended and you are going to start a new month. So you bring all your balances forward. So balance brought forward. So the balance at the end. So let me show you where I pick these ones from. Let's go to my Staking Hub NFT. Let me close this notification here. Hide it. All right, so this is my Mavi back office.mavi global. So here you can see all my 3 staking hubs, and so you can see the basic, and then the light, and then the basic, and you can see the performance. So this is the earnings. So they are added, and then it's compounding. Very soon, on the 1st of September, we are going to see the auto stake on and auto stake off feature activated. So you come here, this is where you come and pick your daily earnings. I haven't added today's one, so I'll show you how I do it. And so this is where you pick it from. So let's assume that this is today's earning, and then either copy it or just go to the Excel spreadsheet and put it in there. So yesterday's earning for today is 26. So today you see that I've not recorded. So as at yesterday, it was 603.92, and then for the light package it was 1962.74, and then for the other package it was 486.23. And so when you come down here, you see the totals. This is a summation. So you see the summation. So you see the formula in the formula bar there, equal to sum So you just do the addition, and that gives you the total number for that day. And then you can see here is the same, so it has increased. What is the difference? You will see the difference here. So if you subtract, look at the formula in the formula bar here, D. So this is the cell. This cell, this square here is a cell. So you can see that what gave me this figure is you subtract the C7 from D7, and that gives you this one. So this is the C. So look at the C here. This is the 7th row. And so this is the D column, and this is the row. So D is the column, and then the 7 here is the row. So where it intersects. So this one minus this one gives me this. So it means that day, this is what I earned, the number of points or the number of Ultron coins I earned, 68.56. Because of the compounding, you will see the decimals on it, because your daily earnings are also compounded, and then they are also earning. And so you can see that the formula there indicates that 68.56, and so when you come here is 68.68, and then when you come here 68.83, 68.97, and so you can see that you subtract the previous day's own from the new one, and then it gives you the amount. And so what we are going to do is we are going to enter this one for today as I'm doing this video. So you can see 603 1962 486. So let's go to the back office. So you can see that the figure has changed. So it's 617.13. So I go back there, and then I put in my 617.13. Is that the correct figure? Then I go back, I pick the next one, 2005.67. 200.57. So 200.57. Am I correct? Let's go back and see if it's not correct. We change the decimal. 6.67. Okay, so I'll correct it, and then this one is 499.20. So I go back to my Excel sheet. So this is 67, and this one is what? 499.20. 499.20. Okay, so that will give you, so you can see the number has increased here. I just widen it for the total to come until you can see that the number of coins I earned today together is 69.11. So you see the compounding effect. So if you calculate, you see that this one gives you 12 coins a day, this one gives you 39 coins a day, and this one gives you 12 coins a day. So 12 plus 12 is 24, plus 39, that should give you about 63. So you see that because of the compounding over the months, it is increasing. The daily earnings are adding up, and the coins are increasing. So today's total is this number, 69.11 coins. That is what I have earned today. So that is how you keep track. And so tomorrow again, I'll come back, and then I'll put the tomorrow's total here, and that will give me the number of coins I have earned. And then I know and I track that every day my earnings are dropping respectively. So that's how you do it. So just go to your back office, create your Excel sheet. It's as simple as that. So you just give it your title, and then you put your package name here. Then you put your, if you are starting from the beginning of the month, the balance you are bringing forward. So let's say the total I'll get here at the end of August, I'll bring it as the balance brought forward for the month of September. So you can see for the month of September, the balance brought forward is going to be the closing balance for the month of August. Okay, so it's as simple as that. And then you begin to track the daily earnings. So the total, you just do your summation. At least those of you who know how to do your Excel, you can just, let me pin the formula tab. So you can just go to your formula, and then you just go to auto sum. So once you select, let's say I want to sum here, you go to auto sum, and then you click on auto sum. It selects all this, and then you accept, you just click enter. Once you click enter, the total comes in there. That's what you do, the summation, and then you get your totals for that one. Okay, so I'm not doing totals for that, so I leave it. Okay, and then once you do for one, Excel makes it easy. You can use other ones like Microsoft Word, but Excel makes it easy for you to use formulas to do your auto calculations, etc. So I don't do for all of them. I just put my cursor here and get a small arrow. There are different plus signs you will get. You see that it's changed with the arrows, and then you can see another fat one. Don't use that one, use this black one. Once you draw it like that, it copies the formula and pastes it for all of them. It means you don't need to repeat the function again. You just leave it like that, and then you just come and enter daily. Once you enter, it will copy the formula automatically for you. Okay, and then this one, you do once, you do the D7, so you do the equal to sign, then you select the D7, and then your minus sign or the subtraction sign, and then you select this one, and then you enter your formula, and that is it. You just drag it and paste it throughout like that to the end, and then you leave it. So every day you just come and enter your daily earnings for all the staking hubs you have. There are people who have 5, 6, 7 staking hubs. Each of them you get the earnings, and then you put it there, and that gives you the total. So that is how you track and you monitor your daily earnings for your staking hubs, so that you are sure that you are getting your money's worth every day as promised. Your 0.2% at the end of the staking year, which will be 1st of June, then it will halve to 0.1. And so you know, until maybe you decide to turn on the auto stake off, and then you are going to receive your daily earnings into your custodial wallet, where you can easily withdraw it. And then it means you will not be earning the compounding. You will only be earning the 0.2% on what is already there, and you are going to be staking. But all the daily earnings will go to your custodial wallet once you turn off the auto stake on. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. You can monitor how your staking hubs are performing on daily basis. See you in the next video.